Hey guys, my name is Sejal, as you all don't know, and welcome to the channel sejal.com. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so in today's video, as you have read from the title, I'm going to prank some of my friends and see their reaction and all of that. So I'm really excited for this, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use my sister's phone to call them because obviously I can't call them from my phone, right? So yeah, now the first person we're going to call is Shantanu, and he's a really nice friend of mine as well. And he's like really interested in dressing up like very just dressing up in general. And so I'm going to prank him that I'm Alicia and I'm speaking from H&M India and we need like models for a new collection. So hopefully this works. And yeah, so let's just call him. Hello. Yeah, is this Shantanu Sonavle speaking?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Alicia, talking from H&M India.
From where?
From H&M India.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, how are you? Are you good?
I'm good.
Okay. So actually, this call is for a model, like a teenager model project that we have. So, are you free to talk?
Yes, I'm free.
Okay, so we are actually launching like teenage models kind of a project with wherein we need like teenagers who can model for us, like the Seawoods Grand Central Mall.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have a shop there, right? And we need like banners, some new banners and stuff, wherein we want teenage models for a men's collection. So would you be interested?
So when is the shoot or whatever you're saying about?
Yeah, like actually it is a pretty urgent project, so the shoot will be like from next week, I guess.
Next week.
Yes.
Can I confirm? Can I tell you in about like a day or two?
Yeah, sure, but I think you will be perfect for us. Actually, we have contacted like from colleges and stuff, some teenagers who are interested in all of this stuff. So we got your contact from there.
Oh,
And
okay.
like we have also contacted some of the people from the same colleges as well, and they have also like recommended you for the style and stuff, like the way you carry your style.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you in a day or two. Can I DM you on your Instagram or something? Because my phone number won't be active that much.
Okay, actually this is our official number as well, so like if you will be interested, we can confirm right now and talk other details afterwards, but we actually need agreement right now.
Agreements right now.
Yeah.
You said after a week.
Yeah, after a week. Yeah, the timings will be as per you. Like as you prefer the timings, we can do on that as well.
Acha, okay, I'm interested.
You'd be interested? Okay, so this will be a paid collaboration. So can you pitch an amount?
What?
Can you pitch an amount? Like how much do you expect to be paid?
It doesn't matter actually.
Okay.
I can do it for like a free or some. I don't really care about the money.
Okay, no, but we we will have to pay you, right? This is a collaboration. Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yes.
Let's see. I'll take 700 for like one shoot. Which one shoot, right?
Okay, yeah. We have 4 to 5 outfits.
4 to 5 outfits.
Yes,
okay.
so per outfit you will take 700.
So this might sound really like douche, but I'll take like 700 for five clothes.
No,
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's totally fine.
Okay.
Okay, so you are agreed to it, right?
Yep, yes, I'm agreed.
Okay, so I'll forward you all the details. You are on WhatsApp, this number?
Yep.
Okay, fine. So I'll WhatsApp you all the details in an hour or something. Is that fine?
Yeah, it's fun.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. He agreed for like 700. I'm so sorry. So actually I'm going to call him and tell him that it was me. So yeah.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, did you get a call from this number earlier?
Yep.
Hello?
Yeah.
You have been pranked.
And
Okay, so let's just move on to the next one. And he's Tahir, the next one is. And yeah, he's like actually done a movie as well and few short films, I guess. So yeah, I'm just going to call him and tell him that I'm from One Digital Entertainment, the one with Mostly Sane. So yeah, let's just see how this works because I'm like actually not sure if this will work because he's actually a tough guy. So let's see. Hello.
Hello, hi Alicia.
Hi, Tahir.
Yeah, hi. So
Yeah.
I was expecting your call and I didn't get one, so I assumed I'll call you back.
Sure. Actually, I was a little busy. So
Oh, great. Can you talk right now?
yeah, I can talk right now.
Amazing. So tell me more about this, Alicia.
Okay.
The music video that you're talking about?
Yes, it's a music video for teenagers, like the problems teenagers go through. Can you explain, can you tell me some of the problems that you are going through as a teenager?
Right now,
Yes.
I hate going to school
Yeah.
on the laptop. That is.
Yeah,
So,
very nice.
That's something that I'm struggling with, and that's pretty much it. I mean,
Okay.
not being able to, not having that freedom of of going out and
Going
maybe
out,
having
yeah.
a lavish dinner. All these superficial problems is what I'm facing.
Okay,
So,
very nice. Yeah, that's a really nice vision, first of all. And okay, so One Digital Entertainment is actually coming up with this music video, as I've told you. And it's regarding the problems teenagers are facing right now, due to the pandemic,
Right.
even as in mental health.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
And the peer pressure from their parents to score well even in this pandemic and stuff.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, very nice. So we are making this video. Actually, this is a pretty urgent project. So it's like an urgent project, which is actually I am like from the agency, and One Digital has contacted me to contact you. So I am kind of a
Right.
middle person.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
I get it.
Yes,
Okay.
because they cannot call everyone, right?
Right. That is
Yeah.
true.
Okay, so I will give you like some details on this call, and then afterwards, if you're agreeing to it, I can share you all the details on WhatsApp or email so that you can go through it. Okay.
So this
Yeah.
is for on-camera acting requirement, right?
Yes. It's an on-camera acting.
Okay, great. So yes, please, Anisha, go ahead.
Yeah, so we have a few teenager like actors as well in this project. You must have heard of Anushka Sen, Jannat Zubair.
Yes, I have heard. Yes.
Yeah.
Anushka Sen and Jannat, yes.
Yes, so they are going to be in this project as well, and this will be a paid project. Yes, and I guess that's all the details I can mention right now as of now. So actually, can you pitch an amount? And also this will be a 3-day project, 3-day shoot, and we will have to pay for all your expenses, all your traveling, all your outfits,
So that's on me, is it?
No, that's not on you. We are going to be providing.
Okay, sorry. I heard we, so I was just.
No. Yeah, so we are going to be providing you all of that. And may I know where do you live exactly?
So, Anisha, I live in Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
Right, and one more
Yes,
question.
yes.
So is this okay? How do I put this?
Yeah.
Is this are there like 10-15 models, participating in the shoot, or is it just like 4 or 5 people who
No,
are
it's
in
just
focus out there?
no, it's just 3 people actually. There's just Anushka Sen, Jannat Zubair, and then you. Like you are going to
Right,
be the male one, male
right.
hero of this. You know,
Oh, okay, great,
and
great.
they're the 2 female actors for this.
Okay,
Jannat
okay, so
Zubair is
that's it.
actually
That's just 3 of us.
yeah,
And
just the 3 of you.
okay,
And the
okay.
back dancers.
Now,
Yeah.
do you want me to give a daily amount?
Daily amount, yeah, as per like what is on the basis you work on. Are there something?
So,
Yeah.
usually I go for contracts
Okay.
and a daily amount that I'm charging.
Okay.
So, I think that's the way I'll go about it. Do you mind if I take a little while to pitch you an amount?
Actually,
Stakes.
yeah,
Yeah.
actually, the amount is not a big thing. Like whatever you pitch, we can like give you.
Uh-huh.
So actually, it's a urgent project. So if you don't agree to it, we have to take someone else. But if you agree to it on right now on this call, it will be done. Like it will be confirmed all of it. We can send you all the details also.
Right.
I'm
So,
really
Alisha, the
sorry
thing
to
is that I totally. Yeah. Please go ahead. Please
yeah, I'm really sorry to just come on you like that. But it's actually
No.
really urgent.
It's totally okay. I mean, it's a good sign if someone's coming on me to ask me the amount that I'm charging. So
Yeah.
that's pretty much something that I've never seen. So
Okay.
Alisha, okay, can we do this? I'll have to discuss this with my parents.
Okay.
And I'll come back to you in like half an hour, not much, in like half an hour.
Okay,
Not a lot of
half
time.
an hour.
Yeah,
Okay, so can I just say one thing?
please go ahead.
Can you work for like 500 rupees
A day?
a day?
That's actually pretty less, isn't it?
Yeah, because I'm Sejal.
Oh, say, एक minute, सेजल, सेजल, तेरा आवाज चेंज हुआ?
No, no, I did that.
नहीं यार, तेरा आवाज चेंज हुआ bro.
No, I just did that on purpose.
हाँ क्या?
Huh? Are you shocked?
तेरा नंबर चेंज हुआ? Because I have your number.
This is my sister's number. I obviously won't prank call from my same number, right?
Oh, हाँ, तेरी बहन का फोन आ गया होगा.
हाँ जी. So I'm going to call Mitali. She is also one of my best friends.
नमस्कार. कोविड-19 अनलॉकची प्रक्रिया आता
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Alicia speaking from India's Young Teenage Agency. Hello.
हाँ.
Am I speaking to Mitali Pagare?
हाँ.
Actually, I wanted to ask something to you. Are you free right now?
Not actually.
Okay, but बस एक ही सवाल पूछना था. मैं ये पूछ रही थी कि रसोड़े में कौन था?
मुझे नहीं पता.
अरे बट रसोड़े में कौन था आपको नहीं पता?
बस ना आता.
अरे यार तू बहुत गंदी है. किसने बताया देखो?
क्या?
किसने बताया?
पता था.
कैसे?
तेरी आवाज.
यार. Okay, so I'm going to call the next person. His name is Sahil. Hello.
हेलो.
Yeah, I
हाँ,
think
बोलिए.
the call got cut. Hello.
हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ, तो मैं ना जिम एजेंसी से हूँ, इंडियाज़ यंग जिम एजेंसी.
हाँ.
Where we have teenagers, teenagers who are interested to be making gyms as a profession. So are you interested in gymming? I guess we got your contact from some of the gyms in Navi Mumbai.
अच्छा. ओके.
Yes. So
फुल. हाँ.
are you free to talk right now?
नहीं, मैं मेरी फ्रेंड से बात कर रहा था. उसका
अच्छा.
नाम सेजल बिल.
यार.
हाँ. तो मैं आपको बाद में करूँ कॉल?
तेरे को कैसे पता?
आवाज बदलनी चाहिए, होता है प्रैंक करने के पहले आवाज ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
अरे
पहले
इतना
समझ
कैसे
में
आवाज समझता है मेरा यार, तुम लोग बहुत गंदे हो सब. Okay guys, so that was it for today's fail prank video, and if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, I just am so sad, like why is my voice like this? I had really high expectations that people would get pranked, but apparently my friends know my voice really well. So अभी क्या बोलूँ मैं? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this fail. Bye.